set it, and I'll just go with that and see. So yeah, if you want to, you probably already have started, or are you about to restart?
Yeah, just started one right now. So yeah, go any sort of mic gain controls or any bass and treble you want to go want to adjust. Yeah, go for it now. And yeah, it's going right now. So yeah, go for it.
Okay, all right. Well, that's mic gain all the way up on the radio. That's mic gain at 3 o'clock on the radio. That's mic gain at 12 o'clock on the radio. And mic gain at 9 o'clock on the radio. I'll bring it back up to flat out, and I'll change my carrier. Okay, starting to get feedback if I don't talk. As I drop, well, I'm getting feedback. There goes my phone. Damn, man, people ring me all at the wrong time. I'll be back in a second. Good. Yeah, so the carrier's down now to a ratio of about 1 to 5. Mic gain all the way up. Mic gain at 3 o'clock and mic gain at 12 o'clock. I won't bother going any lower on that. I'll bring it back up to flat out. And now I'll just mosey on over here. Oh, got to be careful, get feedback quite easily. So I'll back the bass off just a fraction. That's the bass at around about 2 o'clock right there. Anyway, I reckon that's enough. We'll see how we go with that.
Yeah, 5 to 1, I guess maybe does make it sound a bit too loud, I guess you can say, yeah.
But 5 to 1 with it at 3 o'clock on the mic gain should be alright.
Yeah, I suppose so, but maybe you can try 4 to 1 and then, yeah, something similar.
Alright, hang on. Alright, that's about 4 to 1 now, man. Yeah, that's about 4 to 1 right there. Mic gain all the way up, 4 to 1. Mic gain at 3 o'clock. Mic gain at 12 o'clock.
Check. Okay, is that everything? Anything else you wanted to play around with?
Nah, that'll do, mate. I'm hardly spending enough